Uganda, once famous for its fertile soils and productive agriculture, is today suffering a quiet but destructive crisis. Land degradation is consuming the very foundation of our food security, livelihoods, and future. With each passing season, productive land is lost, production goes down, and the sufferings of our farmers increase.
When the sun hits the soil, which is bare, you will find that the soil which had a lot of moisture, when the sun hits it and the moisture evaporates, it develops those cracks. Actually, that's the sign of capping.
If we see the case of Sustainable Development Goals, we are looking at some of the issues called land degradation neutrality.
Nkoka bw'aveeri yenna bw'atwala ettaka lino eryali livaako ebimera kaakati okulaba ng'omuyembe guno wano wonna waliwo level naye kati bw'otuuka nga wano olaba wonna gusimye emirandira giri kungulu emiyembe egyali gigejja nga giwooma okukamala okalaba naye kaakati tosobola kukatwala mu katale olw'okuba esize yakendeera buli omu tayinza kukagula so ng'ate bukuwooma kaali ka mulembe nga kawooma.
The soil has already lost the fertility by losing the nutrients. And one of the major loss of soil nutrients is soil erosion.
N'ennyumba ogiraba yali ku level naye kaakati etandise okudda mu bbanga yonna ng'esimwa mukoka.
Soil degradation we see is erosion, nutrient depletion and deforestation, reduce agricultural land productivity, and of course extreme weather events, drought, flooding also pose significant risks to agriculture productivity and sustainability.
The experience of having civil war in Sudan, many people actually are displaced, and most of Sudanese population are farmers, and this actually now reduce actually the cultivation process. This is going to take us to the main concern actually raised by the United Nations organizations, which is starvation.
We have a big lake here. There is pollution and siltation. People in urban areas are suffering from soil erosion. Some rich guys are building their houses. They add pavers, they add concrete. So there's no way the aquifers are recharged. So we end up with a lot of runoff across the country.
What I learned is that the soil degradation is when we are looking agriculture purpose. And the land degradation, we are looking broad. We can see for agriculture, for economic aspect, also for construction aspect.
The course aims at increasing the awareness, increasing the knowledge of the people that we are partnering with, the people that we are working on development projects, on the best technologies, best methods on how to rehabilitate, how to implement development projects in their regions. We learn from them and we learn what they need and they learn for us, and it's paid on a way that it's all discussions. So when they have a problem, we discuss it with them clearly and freely, and then we come up with solutions. And that doesn't end here in the training course, no. This is through the networking between participants themselves, either from Uganda or from Sub-Saharan Africa and ICBA. They build a network so they can work together in the future, aiming at transferring the knowledge they learned to their partners, to their farmers, to their extension officers, and then implement what is suitable in their countries.
Bwe tuba tunakola olusalosalo olulungi tuba tujja kukozesa akapimo ke tuyita efulemu oba ennyukuta eya A.
We have to solve it by better policies, better instruments that we should apply, and better technologies, because farmers are the people who are working on the land. It's not only the farmer, but also the consumer. They suffer from high prices of agricultural commodities.
The ICBA Kampala University collaboration, the direct beneficiaries is going to be the community, because our soils in Uganda in general, their health is going to be regained.
naye wabaawo obuyambi n'amagezi amalala ag'enjawulo tusaba oba tugaaniriza mu kitundu kyaffe twongere okufuna emisomo n'okukolebwako bingi bitubulamu ng'abatuuze naddala ku ebyobulimi okutulongoseza ettaka lyaffe n'okwongera naffe okufunamu eggwanga libeereko obulungi. Buli muntu yenna yeeyagala nga waka waliwo emmere ate mwe tujja ebiwerera abaana.
Yalama